Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install customer orders sample schema in Oracle database 19C Enterprise Edition. So this is Oracle home directory. So under the demo schema, so customer orders schema is already extracted from db sample schemas 19.2 zip file. Okay, so we need to run this co underscore main.sql. So this is a main SQL file, that is starting point of this customer orders schema installation. Okay, so before proceeding to install, I want to show you something. It's network admin tnsnames.ora. So here you can see that orclpdb pluggable database has an entry in tnsnames.ora file, so that I can able to log in to sqlplus, okay, directly. Okay, so make sure that you have restarted the Oracle listener file, okay, Oracle listener also, then only this will take effect. Okay, now let me open the sqlplus. Sys at orclpdb as sysdba. So make sure that orclpdb is up and running and it's in read write mode. Okay, now let us start to execute the query. Okay, now let us execute co underscore main.sql, which is the starting point of customer order schema. So first parameter is password, next is connection string, third one is table space name, fourth one is a temp table space name. So you can see that customer order schema is successfully installed. So I didn't see any errors in customer order schema. Let me once again. So alter user CO identified by CO user account unlock. Okay, so I unlocked the CO schema. Now let me try in SQL Developer. Yes, I can able to connect. So CO schema, that is customer order schema installation is successful. So I can able to browse the objects, tables, views, indexes. Let me select one table. Select start from customer. Yes. Okay, I can able to browse the database objects in SQL Developer. Okay, let me try to log in directly in sqlplus. Yes, I can able to log in sqlplus also. So customer order sample schema installation in Oracle database 19C Enterprise Edition is successful. make sure that all the parameters are correct during the installation. That's it.